how to fix Snapchat messages not sending. So if you're facing a problem with Snapchat messages that are not sending, then you can first open up your Snapchat application, and you can first check your internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you might find this kind of problem. So be sure with your internet connection, and after checking your internet connection, now you can go for your profile, which is on the upper left, and then you can go for the upper right corner, which has that settings icon. Simply scroll down and go for clear cache and continue, and this might fix your problem. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can open up your settings and you can go for apps and notifications, and go for see all apps and open up your Snapchat application. And after opening, now you can go for storage and cache, and then go for clear cache, so that your problem will be fixed. So if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can go for Play Store and open up your Play Store. Go for the search bar, search for Snapchat, and after searching for Snapchat, if you have an update option, then you can go for update and update your Snapchat application. But if you don't have an update, then you can go for uninstall, which is on the left side, and after uninstalling, you can again install it from your Play Store or App Store, and then you can log into your account. So that might fix your problem. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.